Lebanon traffic, ultralight taking off runway 16, departing southeast, Lebanon.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feel, and I'm happy again.
All right, I'm going to flip over to Cloud Ahoy real quick. I really love this program. Just to show you where I went. I took off from Lebanon and then headed southeast through this valley towards Sweet Home. Now, Sweet Home is located right here. I have a Facebook friend who lives right here, and if I zoom up, I did some circles around the area right there just to say hi. And then I continued on through this valley towards Brownsville, which is located right here. And then right about here, I ran into some rain, and then I landed straight in Daniels. So back to the video. What you saw so far was me cruising through this valley, and we're going to pick up the video right about here where I start doing some circles above my friend's house.
Hi! Hello! Woohoo! Spinning around, spinning around. Couple of little hammerheads there. Well, I think we wore out our welcome. Let's go ahead and head this way. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Man, it really turned out to be a nice day to fly today, I'll tell you that much. I mean, there's a bunch of rain over there, yeah, but everywhere else I've gone has been really nice. Knock on wood. I do see some blurriness up there, so hopefully I wanted to fly through any rain on the way to Daniels, but it should be all right. Of course, that camera crapped out at some point. How'd you like to fly through that gap? Through those mountains. Woo, man, that would be a nail biter for sure. That's why I prefer to stick to nice, clear, open areas. This is badass. It's pretty fucking badass flying right here. It does look like there's a little bit of misting rain up in this area to the south. I can see Daniels Field right there. We should be okay. Yippee-ki-yay. That looks like rain, dude. We might hit some rain. Damn it. See, this proves the Earth is flat, because the sun rays come down that way over there. They come down this way over here. But if the sun was really 92 million miles away, wouldn't the rays be parallel? Wouldn't those rays be straight up and down, and those rays be straight up and down parallel? I mean, doesn't that make sense? Idiots. Flat earthards, you gotta love them. 2,500. Daniels traffic. Hurricane is 8 miles to the northeast. 2,500 inbound for straight in 16. Daniels. Well, I definitely got my flying fix for today. Look at all that rain. That right out there is definitely rain. But Daniels Field is right off that way, so I think we're gonna miss all of it But yeah, that's all just pouring over there. Not really pouring, but it's definitely coming down. So it's a good thing that I'm getting back when I did, because that stuff is, the wind is coming this way. So it could be bringing a lot of that to the north to where I'm at right now. Over there where I just came from, look at how beautiful that is. That's nice and sunny over there. Over here, not so much. Hopefully my paper airplane can make it. I'm just kidding, it's not a paper airplane. Ground speed's 48. Airspeed is 60. Yeah, and that valley, the valley that I just came from, which is towards Sweet Home, look at how nice that looks over there. But then back towards Eugene, Eugene is basically, you can't even see it because there's all that rain coming down. We're about ready to go into IFR conditions. That's okay, because I got my artificial horizon right there, my attitude indicator. So if we have to fly through a bunch of fog and snow and rain, we'll be just fine. Daniels traffic, hurricane is 5 to the northeast, 2000, inbound for straight in, 16, Daniels. Call it in, just in case somebody's in the air. I doubt it though. I mean, Daniels is, I don't know, I still can't tell. It's hard to tell whether I'm going to hit any rain or not. I got an exposed camera there, and I got an exposed camera in the back. This one I can tuck under here, and I'm seeing a little, is that rain? Let me, that looks like a little teeny bit of rain. So we are definitely entering some showers. First signs of precipitation on my windshield. My POV camera is still running. I can see the reflection in my phone. Caught in a rainstorm 101. Oh yeah, we got rain pepper in the windshield. It's just a little bit of rain. It's not a whole lot. I'll just fly IFR now. Flying IFR. Daniels traffic, hurricane is 3 miles to the north, inbound for straight in, runway 16, full stop Daniels. This isn't bad though. I've been in worse rain than this. I've been in rain where it's pelting the windshield, where it's just like brrr, it's like, oh god. It's definitely getting worse though. My engine's acting kind of weird. Let me give it some throttle. It's kind of sputtering. It might have ice. It could easily have some ice built up right now, so I'm gonna stay high. So the water that's getting ingested into my carburetor from the rain could easily be turning to ice because of the freezing conditions, so just gonna keep working the throttle a little bit. We're gonna stay nice and high on this approach. See, I'm kind of working the throttle a little bit. It's got a slide carburetor, so moving the throttle up and down breaks any ice loose. Daniels traffic, hurricane is final, runway 16, full stop Daniels. Alright, where's my windshield wipers at? At this trailer park area right here. Hi! Somebody's at the hangar. Woo! 85 miles an hour. I better slow it down a little bit. I'm slipping it, doing a forward slip here.
Dancing and singing